Hello KUNOMAILers and welcome to our new video tutorial. Today I want to show you our new tool. It's KUNOMAIL.Connect. What can you do with KUNOMAIL.Connect and so on. KUNOMAIL.Connect, we invited you to test KUNOMAIL.Connect. Actually it is free of charge, so you don't need to pay anything for KUNOMAIL.Connect. Just go to our online shop, KUNOMAIL.com, then to our online shop. Here you choose under Shop, License and Extensions, and then you go to KUNOMAIL.Connect, and you just add it to your basket, buy it. The same procedure as for every other products. And important for you, KUNOMAIL.Connect stays free for you. Later in the next year, KUNOMAIL.Connect will cost some money. We don't know exactly now how much, but for all people who buy it for free, it stays for free. So you don't have any additional costs. Okay, after you have bought it and added to your account, you change here now to your client, to KUNOMAIL. The product will be automatically loaded via the online shop. And now here under options, you can choose KUNOMAIL.Connect. Before we do this, I will show you something here, how you the first steps with KUNOMAIL.Connect. You go to your contacts, and then here you have a new tab. It's KUNOMAIL.Connect. Here you have your alias. You can give your first name and the last name. It can be your real name, it can be a fantasy name, whatever. You can give you a picture. Oh, it's a nice picture of me. And now here you have your private contacts. I have here just two contacts, and I will show you a little bit later direct in KUNOMAIL Direct how you can invite your contacts to KUNOMAIL.Connect. I just showed you here. Can choose now the Tom KUNOMAIL. And here I can say KUNOMAIL.Connect. I enable Tom for KUNOMAIL.Connect, and I can send him here an invitation email. The email will be sent always from your standard email account. In my case here, it is vm2@kunomail.de. I also can send it from KUNOMAIL.Connect Direct. I will show it to you a little bit later. Okay, so if you get an invitation from a person and you don't want to chat with this person, you don't want to use this person, and so on, then here you just need to disable this one, save it, and that's it. Okay, so after you have saved your alias, we can close it, option, and now we open KUNOMAIL.Connect. Ta-da! KUNOMAIL.Connect. Looks like a normal email. You can write it with KUNOMAIL with your magic editor, but now it is yeah, your chat messenger, your client. What is different to other messengers you need it on your mobile phone, etc., etc. Very important here is that KUNOMAIL.Connect doesn't save any data on a server. We transmit the messages direct from client to the client, to your contact. That's why it is important in the first step now. It is important that both of you are online. So you have here now the bubbles, and so the green one means you are connected, you're on. The transparent button means the contact is offline, but the contact has already confirmed the invitation. And a red bubble means you have this contact, but the contact don't confirm the invitation to chat with you in KUNOMAIL.Connect. Now, if you want to say, just for example, you can make here a click and you can open here your contact, and the contact will be open here. And now you can here say send invitation, send connect invitation, and then you just get a question and I want to say, yes, I want to send it to my contact, and now an automatically email will go to your contact, and then you are connected here in KUNOMAIL.Connect. Just try it out. It's really easy, and yeah. Here I have on my other side, I have a laptop, so I can show you live how it works here with a partner. I have this one here. James is now here on my other side. I first have to connect it. Just a second. So takes a little second. One moment. So okay, and connect. My laptop is actually offline, so I first have to contact with my VLAN. So now I can connect, and now just have a look here on this one. I connected, and now, zack, I'm online. Now James is online, and all messages I will send now. So make it for you here. Just an example. Hello, Andrew. Send it. I receive the message here. Now I can look at this message here, send it back. Hello, James. You can send it here, or you can send it here. This one is for this one here, for the attachments and for your cards. So for the menu, you just can open up here, here, and close it. So it's easier than to use it. For example, you have your letter templates. You just go to this one, you choose a template, and you can use it like your email program, like as you write an email to your contact. You can use this one. Just write down test, then send it. Now you see here menu menu bar that this email is now, or this message is now transferred. This one is important because I have told you nothing is saved on a server. It's transmitted direct to your contact, to your partner. It means now if you have a problem and it's can't be sent because your contact maybe has no internet or whatever, then you see it here, and the message has another color, and then it couldn't be sent. You just type here, make a right click, and then you can resend this message and send it again. You also here can delete the message, and if this one here is very big, you also can make a right click and then show it in an external browser. I chose it here, for example, Edge, and then you see this message here. If your solution is too small, or you just go here to the text, make a double click on the text, and then the browser also is opening. Yeah, important for is the next one is the connection is completely secure. So the connection is completely secure. So don't worry, it is safe. What else can I say you? I just want to invite you to test it, to test KUNOMAIL.Connect. Tell us what you need, what your opinion is not good, what we have to change, and so on. You can go here to feedback. Just write us here feedback and feedback. Feedback. You can send us an email to contact@kunomail.com. Make some screenshots and say, here, we need this one, this is better, you should do this one, and so on. really, we invite you to test it, check it out, if it makes sense for you, what should we make better, and what is fine or not. And the last one I want to tell you is that in the first 1, 2, 3 months of 2023, we will create here, or then you have the possibility to create groups. So that in these groups, as everyone who's in the group, then you can share your documents in this group. This is at the moment not available. Now you have to change letters or your um, your contacts and your messages just peer to from person to person. We don't have any possibility at the moment to create some groups. Okay. I hope you enjoy this video. Um, have a nice weekend. Greetings from Berlin. Keep on writing. Your KUNOMAIL team. Bye bye.